Hey, welcome to our after show, and it's time for special and unusual talents that my co-host has. This is kind of like a little getting to know Taylor segment.
Yes.
Is what this is turning into. And you know, you find out a lot about a person just by sitting around them for a few hours every day.
When you wake up at 5 a.m. with someone.
And the noises that they make. Now, we were getting ready to sign off the show here, and I just heard like a weird noise, and I was like, what was that? Some kind of a bird or something pecking at the building? Yeah. But it was you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm going to do it. You just slap your tongue on the bottom of your mouth. No.
I can do that.
That's different.
Right. That's weird.
I know.
Weird. I've never met anybody that does that. You're slapping your tongue on the top of your mouth?
No, bottom. So you're like...
That's what I was doing.
You don't touch the top of your mouth at all.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You gotta stick your tongue out like this, kind of?
I don't think people want to see that. Okay, how long have you been making that noise?
I don't know, for a really long time, as long as I can remember.
Huh. I know this is stupid, but I just found it fascinating. It's such a different noise that I've never heard anybody make before. Can you do the thing where you pop the side of your cheek, but it sounds like water dripping? No.
That's it.
No, it sounds like water dripping out of a faucet.
Oh, I can't do that one.
All right,
I can do this.
Will you just work on that for tomorrow?
I'll try my best.
If you make a weird noise, shoot a quick video and put it up on our Facebook page. I mean, a weird noise with your mouth, okay? Let's keep it to that.
Yes.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.